Doors open!
It certainly is, quiet here.
Yeah, quiet like a tomb.
That's the whole point of moving to the country. Peace and quiet. Ominous quiet, even. Well, here we are.
We live in a graveyard?
Oh, no. Not in the graveyard. In the old funeral home up the hill.
Oh, well, that's different. We live in a funeral home.
Actually, it hasn't been a funeral home for years, but it took $10,000 off the asking price.
It seemed like a good deal.
The windows look like they've been boarded up from the inside.
Probably to keep out raccoons. Oh, they must have had a dog.
A big one.
Enjoy your new home. Good luck. You'll need it. Restful Hills Realty.
I bet we could hit a few out of the park with this baby, eh, Clark? Couldn't do that in the city now, could we?
I wonder where the moving truck could be.
Must have hit traffic. Let's just start unpacking the car. That's where the funeral home kept the dead bodies. Now it's our freezer.
Please come out, Clark.
I'm not coming out. I want to go back home to the city.
But it's so much nicer here. Smell that fresh country air. Ugh. Oh, must be swamp gas out back.
No way.
Oh, Howard.
He'll come out, Jeannie, don't worry. He didn't have a bathroom break the whole trip. Calm down, buddy. Bathroom's down the hall to the left.
No, Dad, there's something out there. It's coming toward the house.
Whoa, son, slow down. Now, I want you to tell us exactly what happened outside, and then we can tell you how foolish you're being. Come in. Doors open. Isn't it nice to be able to say that?
Huh? See you around, neighbor.
They seem nice.
Yes. Very orderly.
Mom, Dad, you're okay.
Of course, Clark. We're just greeting our new neighbors.
But they were zombies? The undead? Reanimated corpses?
Now, Clark, they were just simple country folk. Not much for words.
What about the rotting flesh?
Oh, it's been overcast. You can't get a tan in that kind of weather.
Ugh.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do just fine in Restful Hills. This is just what we need. Peace and quiet.
Yeah, ominous quiet even.
Hey!
Bumble, bumble, buzz, buzz, buzz! The manly bee and his trusted sidekick, the ugly duckling. Time to batter some gray matter. Possibly the greatest crime-fighting duo the world had ever known. The Manly Bee filled Seaside City's infamous Grimstone prison with every outlaw and wrongdoer known to man. Octo-Freak, Boomerang Boy, the Toxic Crab, Lava Lad, Madam Big Bones, and the Tin Midget found themselves imprisoned within the impenetrable walls of Grimstone. One villain managed to continually evade his capture. The evil criminal mastermind, Doc Zombie! All seemed bleak until that fateful day when good conquered over evil. Little did the people of Seaside City know that their celebration was going to be short-lived. Citizens of Seaside City, we have finally succeeded in putting a stop to the lawlessness that has plagued this beautiful town. With that being said, I'd like to announce my retirement. People, I was just about to say that should the need ever arise, I, the Manly Bee, will return to defend Seaside City against the forces of evil. Okay? Okay. Bumble, bumble, buzz, buzz, buzz! With that, the Manly Bee flew away, never to be seen or heard from again.
Well, it's now been a little over a day since Doc Zombie has returned to wreak havoc upon Seaside City. Manly Bee, if you're out there listening, we need you, Manly Bee! We need you!
Here you go, Chauncey. A little refreshment will perk you up. What? Say again? Oh, Chauncey, you're such a card. Scotty, what are you doing? Now I'm all tingly. Blasted pacemaker. Probably just gave me a shot. Bumble, bumble, buzz, buzz, buzz! We've got to get to the honeycomb hive immediately. Let's go! Where did all these blasted buildings come from? Bristling beehives. Surely it knows that terrorizing citizens is against the law. Free the girl before I unleash a world of hurt onto your furry hide.
Oh, what a gloriously wicked day! Do my decaying eyes deceive me? Or is that the Manly Bee? At long last we meet again. Only this time, it will be the last.
Almost free. There we go. Gotta try to lure him out of the city before he does any more damage. Need to catch breath.
Gotcha! What? No! No! Get away! Get away! Oh, I was so gross!
Time to go. Wait a sec. Where was I going? Dentist appointment? No. Meeting with the mayor? Taping a public service announcement? Uh-oh. Must have forgot to put gas in the mechanical wings. Oh! Ow! Ooh, ow! Oh! Take me to the honeycomb hive. Need immediate medical attention. What's going on, Ugly? Why did you stop? This is it? Our secret crime-fighting lair was leveled for a parking lot? Well, we're just going to have to rebuild it. Right after my nap.
Hey!
Business with ya! Ha ha ha!
Pew, 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 pew! Ha ha ha! I'm rich! I'm rich! Ha!
Help! Police!
Pew, 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 pew! I'm the best! I'm the best! Ha ha ha!
Hello.
Tickets! Thank you! Tickets!
Climb up, loudmouth! Give me your ticket!
Tickets!
Here is the ticket in which I paid for using money earlier this day.
Thank you, Dr. Heckyl. And thank you, Mr. Judd.
Tickets! Thank you! Tickets!
2 tickets? You're weird.
So I guess we're gonna be train buddies, me and you. Oh, this'll be fun. Tell me a little about yourself.
Look, just shut your face, twerp.
Would you like a bite of my sandwich?
Don't mind if I do, jerko! What the heck's in this sandwich? Look, moron, do me a favor, will you?
Sure. What can I do for you, friend?
Come here. Now I'm gonna get me some shut-eye, you hear? So don't you be moving, or I'll give you one of these! Say, fella, did you see someone come in here and beat me about the head and neck with something?
No, sir. I was merely trying to make like a good footstool for you. I'm here to oblige, my new friend.
Listen here, wise guy. I'm the boss of this here train car, see? If I catch you pulling any funny business... Did you do this to my gun?
Well, no, but
Do you realize that I probably won't be able to shoot this gun anymore?
I wouldn't hurt you. You're my new friend.
Yeah? Well, let me introduce you to another new friend. Say hello to Bumpy Knuckles!
Hello.
I think I'd like someone to take me to the hospital. I'm rich.
All right, take him away, boys.
Pew, pew. Hey, police officer.
Good job, little boy.
I'm a man.
Sure you're, son. Sure you're.
Hello.
Quit your yapping, boy. I does the talking around here. Now why don't you be a good cow chip and rub my feet? My little doggies are a bucking something fierce. Wait!
Anything for my new friend.
Hey!
Oh.
Miss Simmons, ready for takeoff?
Yes, sir.
Reconstituted chicken blocks. Carne liquido. Get 2 loaves for $2.99. Oh yeah! This month at the Bloaf Bunker. Pizza! Ice cream in whole ham. Wash it down with all beef
Scooby-Doo-wah-wah! The doobie-da-doo, doo-ba-cha-cha-wow, the ding-ding-what-doo. Doobie-doo-ba-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-doo. Anna. Loop-ba, doo-ba-doo-ba-ba-boo-da-doo-da-doo. Scooby-Doo-wah-bow, dee-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-dee-doo-da-doo. Ooh-da-wow-bah, the Jimmy-Doo. Too bad. Mama, a baboon.